Got a subscriber request for a low boy video. So let's get to it. He looking for New Jersey. Let's see. Let's do Elizabeth. We're gonna do 250. We're gonna do tomorrow the 24th. We're gonna do starting at 7 a.m. Going anywhere. So this is what's popped up. They ain't the greatest paying lows, but you know, they pretty decent. I ain't gonna say decent, but they okay. If you got a low cost of operation, you can make it with these loads. Until the market get better. But the market ain't gonna get better until some of these trucks get out of the market, because it still got too many trucks and the volumes is low. So that's why rates are down. Unless you got, unless you find some contract loads on here, they still pay pretty decent. That's what I did. I put myself in a lane where there's contract freight running back and forth, where I can still do pretty decent. Now, when I do this search for you, sir, I forget what your name is, but a lot of these loads is going to repeat themselves between New Jersey, New York, and PA. Because you can see now, the loads is popping up. It's PA loads and Maryland loads and Delaware loads and New York loads, West Virginia. Okay, now let's do, that's New Jersey, so let's do New York next. I'm just gonna put the Bronx. See, they just repeating themselves. See, the lows is repeating themselves. You might have a couple different ones in there because it's a little different location, but most of them just repeating themselves. All right, let's do PA. We're gonna do Allentown. See, they repeating themselves. See, they're just repeating themselves. So, and that's what I'm doing. I'm just repeating myself, saying, see, they just repeating themselves. But yeah, that's what's up here. So I guess that's it.